Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply limit the number of posts in WordPress. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in WordPress. It's like pretty logical. Then go to settings and then go to reading. And right now you will see blog page show at most. You can change it to, I don't know, 6, 5, whatever number you want. Then you got syndication feeds show the most recent. You can also edit that. And also for each post in the feed you can include full text or summary. Again, this is really up to you what you choose. So and that's pretty much it. So thank you everybody. I hope you're going to have a great day. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and that's pretty much it. Goodbye.